I want you to do me a favor.
Yeah, sure.
I want you to hit me as hard as you can. I want you to hit me as hard as you can.
But then make you love me. Oh, oh. Again, love, again, love, again, love, again, love.
I am not putting up with this anymore.
Putting up with what? I can't talk.
Father said we're not to cry.
That is because Father is incapable of human emotion. You are 10. Cry if you feel like it.
Little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Stiffen that up, pull it up, little lady. I told ya, daddy's here to hold ya through the night. I know mommy's not here right now, and we don't know why. We feel how we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright. And if you ask me to, daddy's gonna buy you a mockingbird. I'ma give you the world. I'ma buy a diamond ring for you. I'ma sing for you. I'll do anything for you to see you smile.